5 minutes regular trading hour. And just let you know that I think it's time to put a short on the energy sector. We bought DRIP. I bought XLE puts, and I think that trade's going to pay us. We're already slightly green. I'm also short XBI with puts, and it looks like it's rolling over pretty hard finally. Just been way overdone. I'd love for it to fill that gap, pay for my next month's trading budget, but looks good. It's just way overdone. Moss, just waiting for the next buy signal. Get back in this thing again, anywhere between 25.50 and 26.20. XIV, I think it needs to rest here. I had VXX, and my average price is 30. Now, because I went ahead and sold some more calls lower, I'm at 30.71 is my average price, and my takeout is at 31. So I can still make profit on the trade. That's as of Friday's expiration, even if it goes against me on the sold calls. Oil, I think they shot their load. They're jawboning now. Oil's come out of everybody's ear. We just had another huge find in Texas. We had a huge find in Alaska. And we have oil coming out of ears in this country. It's really a political issue, but days of high oil prices are over economically for a long time. Now just starting to get a bid again in the miners. We bought AG, and at the open we bought U-Gold. VIX needs to come up. It's just been way oversold, and that's why I hold VXX. I think it's going to pay us. We have 3 weeks till the Fed does their suicide pact with themselves and raises rates. UNG, watching them announcement tomorrow. May get back in then. We'll see. We had a good trade, and now we're just kind of sitting on our hands. Dollar, I think it's about ready to roll down. Real estate, SRS is not a good proxy, but SRS is probably going to go down if the interest rates fall, just short term. Real estate's dead, but you're going to have to be in and out of this thing. I just rolled my diagonal out. I'm short on the 74s for December, and long puts, and I'm short put weekly on the 72s. To pay for it as I go along. Silver's kind of flat, but it's not falling. Emerging markets, there's some people taking a bid on this. I don't trade it that often. I'm waiting to see if the dollar makes a move, and I think this could give people about a 8 to 10% move here. GDX, like I said, I think they're getting a bid in the miners. Excuse me. Same with SILJ. AGI, so we bought 876 with our price. I'm looking for back up into the 9s. CRK, we got out of oil. Labu, we talked about. CHK, we talked about oil. Sugar, well, the guys were calling for low sugar, got their wish, gap down today. Getting close to a place where there's probably a tradable bottom. Dust, we talked about miners. Drip, we talked about drip. We're in. We had a little bit of a scare. We bought 1899 or 97. Stop out at 1852. Immediately took us out. We bought right back in at 1850, and here we are. So we're making money, but we got whacked on a stop run. EVXY, I think it's going up. I think it's going to go back up over 13, at least, if not higher. Oil, we talked about nat gas. VXX, we just talked about vol. We talked about real estate. And gold, like I said, we bought U-Gold, and I'm looking for that to move up with the dollar moving down. And SPY, you know, I mean, it's just been crawling all day. I think it's going to start rolling over, and I have December future options as puts at as of the high 2180. I think I put 2180 is what I put my option in when it hit 2185 yesterday, and I'm gonna hold it for a while. I think it's gonna go down to the bottom of this range. I think we have a 10% move between now and the Fed meeting. DVA just kind of grinding along here, not doing much. And let's see here, coffee. We're in coffee, just above our stop, but you know, I only ever take half off. Wheat, not doing much today. New goal, they said we went ahead and bought at the open, so pretty much penny or two off. SLW, it looks like it's heading up over 20. I love this stock. Was my biggest position till I bailed out on this right about a quarter way through this. Well, actually, the whole debacle I got out of, because I closed at a 23.80. Market just closed. Corn flat. JJG. It's not doing much today. XLE, I think, is where we started.